You may wish to pause the video to have a go at this exercise. Is 568 a multiple of 8? I'll go on to the next slide to show the answer. The first thing to do is to write down the 568. Then we're going to do long division, and we're going to divide into this number 8. So we will ask, does 8 go into the 5? And it doesn't. So we then ask, does 8 go into the 56? And the answer is yes. It goes 7 times. Now, 8 times 7 is 56. So you can see we put the 56 down here. We now subtract that from the 56 above, and we will get the result of 0. We then bring down the 8 that I've highlighted in red to here, and then you ask, does the 8 divide into the 8? And the answer is yes, it does. It goes once, so we write 1 here. 8 times 1 is 8, so we put that here, and then we subtract it from the 0,8 above, and 0,8, remember, is just 8, and we will end up with a remainder of 0. So that is really saying we have no remainder. Consequently, we can see that this is a whole number. And if it's a whole number, then we know that 568 is a multiple of 8. So seeing there's no remainder and seeing it's a whole number, either one of those tells us that we have 568 being a multiple of 8. So for this question here, the answer is yes, it is a multiple. Of course, we can do this using a calculator as shown here. But if you haven't got a calculator, long division is the quickest way to do it. And you can see here that I've got 568 divided by 8, and that is equal to 71, which is a whole number. So we know 568 is indeed a multiple of 8.